Morning, everyone. This is Kolaizo Earnings here, and today we'll be talking about a Web3 booster campaign from Mitosis. It's actually hosted from on Binance Web3. Okay, so this campaign is from Mitosis, which is for the booster campaign. Their total capped stuff right here is $1 million worth of Mito coin. So I will be giving you exactly what you need. I will be showing you everything you actually need to be doing here and what is supposed to be done at this stage. Okay. So before we're going right into this today, my name is Kolaizo Inins, and I have been out here posting more about making money online and doing different things to make money also online legitimately. Okay, so if you are new here to this video, please make sure you watch this video to the end, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up so that I will know yes you love this video and will be pushing me more to do more. Okay, so with no more further ado, let's get in right into the video today. So this is it. So they say the reward is $1 million worth of Mito coin, and so the instructions here now is go to your Binance Web3 wallet, click in, click the banner as shown in the image. So first of all, the first thing that was being stated here was to go to your Binance Web3 wallet, right? So you have to you would need a Binance Web3 wallet for this purpose. Okay, so for you to get this, you will need to click here, click on wallets. I hope you saw I did there. Just hold on a little bit. Okay, I'm going back to the exchange. Okay, so you can see I'm on my exchange right now. Then look at the top here, you will see exchange and wallet, right? So I'm clicking on the wallet. So the second thing now is click on N, click on banner as shown in the image. Okay, or you can just click on this link here, which I will drop in the description of this video. Okay, so click token you want to deposit, BNB or USDT. Deposit at least 0.03 BNB or 25 USDT to Mitosis Vault. That is their vault. Okay, then once that is done, it's done. The campaign ends on 25th of August after 1 week. Then you can withdraw your $25 with a 7 to 10 days of delay for BNB. That is if you're using BNB to run this campaign, or 3 to 5 days and delay for USDT. That is if you're using USDT to run this campaign. So for me, I'm going to be using USDT so that after 3 to 5 days, I'm going to get my USDT back as soon as possible. Okay, so with no more, let's get back into it. Okay, so the second one says click on in, right? So here's the in tab here, and which this is it. You can see this is the in tab here. So I'm going to click on in. But first of all, let's make sure we have that coin in our wallet here. So I'm going to click on receive, right? Let me see something. Okay, so I'm going to click on receive, right? So I'm going to transfer from my Binance exchange down to my wallet here. So this is it. Okay. I hope I do have this. Okay, continue. You currently have locked assets that are unavailable for withdrawal. View lock details. Okay, let me just see something. Okay, just hold on. Let me get this. Okay, I think it will be resolved, right? Should be resolved any moment from now. Okay, let me just try something else. Just hold on. Let me copy my address, right? My USDT address, right? Then I'm going to come here. This is how I did. This is how I did it. I clicked on receive tokens via address. Okay. Then I clicked on USDT, right? Then BNB Smart Chain. Since we're going to be running these stacks on BNB, so I'm going to click on this, which is this. Then copy, go back, go back, and go back. Then click on transfer from Binance Exchange. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Yes, BNB chain. Then continue. So I'm going to paste the address here. Oh, this instance shows here. Okay, let's try something else. Let me see something. Just hold on a little bit. Okay, I see why the things. Okay, I deposited the coin and it hasn't been completed yet. So I think it will be completed in about 4 minutes later. So after it's been completed, then I'm going to continue this video. Okay, just hold on a bit and I will be right back. So I'm going to literally copy the address back again, and before we copy the USDT on BNB Smart Chain, right? So I've copied the address again. Then I'm going back to receive from Binance and Exchange, which is transfer from the Binance Exchange. I'm going to click here, BEP20, click on continue, paste the address here. The address is identified as a Binance Web3, yes, which is that. So I'm going to click on this and click on transfer, right? So I'm going to confirm. So, and that is done. So let's see VS3 to see if it's already going. Okay, you can see my Binance matching wallet has received the $26. So let's go back to the wallet now. I'm going to refresh and you can see it's here already. So the next step now is for us to click on, let me go back to the instructions, okay? So we won't do any mistakes. So the next step is for us to click on click on the banner as shown in the image, okay? So first of all, so we're going to click on in, right? Home, click on in. And click the banner as shown in the image, which is this particular banner. So I'm going to come here. So let's look for, I'm looking for it right now. Okay, you can see this is it. So I'm going to use USDT to run this campaign, which is this. Okay, so I'm going to click on stake. So you click on the banner image, click on token, deposit at least this, and you're done. So I'm going to click on stake. So you can see daily bonus ends in 5 days later, which is the campaign stops on the 25th of this month. So staking at least $25 entitles you to the following earnings, which is USDT staking, pool based yield, mainly from Lister, L, leading, and the rest. Okay, let's click on view details and see more informations that they are going to give us. So basically, you're going to make sure this is the manner you see, or this is the exact one what you saw there. So I'm going to click on deposits once more, click on it, USDT, then click on stake now. Okay, I'm accepting their terms and conditions of use and the rest. So I'm going to literally, oh, it's saying I don't have enough BNB. So I'm definitely going to transfer BNB into year so that I can use it for their gas fee. Okay, deposited it, right? So I'm going to go back to in and click on deposit now. Click on the USDT, then click on stake now. So you can see that's error issue there that was saying we don't have enough this thing there. It's no longer there. Okay, so I'm going to click on 100%, or then literally just put, yes, let's it just be 100% totally. Then I'm going to click on next. Then you can see, so we're going to click on approve USDT. Then we're going to continue, click on confirm. So I'm going to click on my verification here. So transaction submitted, right? Okay, approving USDT source seed. Okay, you can see now. Confirm. Okay, so I think we're done here. Okay, we're done, and you can see now it's has been staked. So I'll click on back. So if you want to check it out, let's see if we would actually check that out. Okay, yes, please. Let's go to their that browser and see. First of all, you have to click on connect wallet. So which I'm going to do now. Accept. Okay, so we're done. And okay, let me change this to, okay, you can see now it is here. You can see it is here. So after 25 days, we can come back to on stake this. Okay, you can see your withdrawal will typically be processed within around 5 days. So this is just typically for the campaign they brought. So with all this being said, I think you guys would know how to get yours done successfully and with no hiccups. Okay, so let's call this a day. If you're not subscribed to this channel, you hit the notification bell icon, hit the subscribe button also, so we can you'll be the first person to be notified once I've dropped an exciting video, an educative video on anything making money or crypto analysis online. Okay, so stay safe, peace out.